Here at the campground. There's open it up. There's Quinny running around. Quinny, come here! Quinny's checking out all the critters. Ed! Come! Quinny, come! Come here, Quinny. We're done. Ooh, I better take you guys swimming, huh? You want to go swimming? Where's Ed? Ed! Oh, there's Ed. Ed! You having fun? Here's the camper. The awning's not down yet. And I just opened up, put the electric on, and put the water on. And there's my next door neighbor right there in her camper. And here's the woods Quinny was running around in. There's the bluff up there. I think I'll take the dog swimming real quick.